Capsule wardrobe is a tool that helps you get dressed, and it's so good for traveling too. I usually travel carry-on only. I'll show you how I pack a capsule wardrobe that I could wear for weeks and have many different outfits for different occasions. So let's get packing. Your passport, a case for travel essentials like a lip balm, wipes and medicine. For packing my clothes, I love using packing cubes. Mine are from Muji. I will usually use two, one for my underwear and one for my tops. My bottoms usually travel rolled up, Marie Kondo style. A pair of well-fitting jeans, blazer, a jumper in my seasonal color of choice. These set the mood of this capsule and a reference for all other items and accessories. They have to match these key pieces. Denim jacket, statement piece in my case, a white t-shirt, a pair of easy trousers that I would use for extended capsule. I start by packing my essentials into the cube: silk tank top, versatile t-shirt bra, fitted long sleeve top, rib knit vest top, a pair of bright leggings. Then some bulkier items: my loungewear set, a sweatshirt and pants. These are for travel days or relaxed day options. A few pairs of socks, 2 pairs of shoes. These are in the same color palette. I could do one, but I feel much safer on the road when I have at least 2 pairs. My special event extra pieces. These are always optional. A pair of minimal heel sandals, black slip skirt, a pair of cool parachute pants, a black special evening top, and a jewelry piece. Then my makeup and skincare cube. If you're interested on what I'm packing exactly, check out my long-term travel checklist. A warm layer that I can use with my outerwear pieces, and another layering piece, a quilted vest. Another jumper, this one in a neutral color, so I can alternate it with a brighter one. On a minimal note, I won't be packing this all, but this was the thought process. In the end, I'll pick the one most suitable for a specific trip. And you won't need all of the tops, usually just get 5, including your layers. A denim shirt is another beautiful addition that goes with this color palette. Day 1, travel day outfit. A pair of comfy pants, a sneaker, a white hoodie layer, and my travel bag of choice that fits my essentials. Having functional pockets to have passport clothes is always my preference on a travel day. Hence, hoodies and blazers with pockets over sweatshirts. Wearing the layers to the airport will save you space in a suitcase. One jacket is worn on a travel day and the blazer is packed. To me, this layering system wins over bulkier coats and puffers for spring travel. Day 2. A city trip or a modest place visit. Weather allowing, I'll go for a black midi skirt. Hang it in a shower to help with the creases. A pair of Chicks leather sneakers, a long sleeve top and a rib knit vest over it. Then accessorize. On a warmer day, wear the vest over the long sleeve as it is. On a colder day, add a jumper underneath. Finish off with a black leather day-to-night bag. Mine is Bottega, worn crossbody. Towards the evening, change it up, wear the hoodie and an oversized jacket for a casual but chic dinner in the city. Day 3. Rewear the same tops. Change up the bottom to create a completely different mood. Warm up strategically when needed. A cute cap is another accessory that's not obviously needed in spring, but it doesn't take much room and is definitely useful for both function and style, rain or shine. Finish with the top layer. Easily remove one of the layers if the day gets warm at midday, and wear the jumper as a scarf. Accessorize, layer up if needed. Comfy sweatpants could be worn in the same day if the day gets colder. Now a fancier dinner option using your extras. Formula of this outfit. It's more definition on the top with the black and more volume and play in the bottom. Black minimal heel is timeless and matches everything. Chunkier earrings, another wardrobe extension for dressier outings. Smarter blazer would be my outerwear option of choice. Crossbody bag worn as a clutch. Grab a merino or cashmere layer and wear it as a scarf in the early evening, and then wear it on for warmth later at night. Another optional accessory, a chunkier necklace. I would use one if I would be wearing a jumper. Then you have another option for an evening outfit. A third one, change up your bottom for a black skirt. Wear it with the jumper for classy elegance, or make it effortlessly chic by adding an oversized denim jacket. Day 4. Reach out for your comfy basics for a rest day in a hotel or short transit day. Keep the chunky necklace or a pair of statement sunnies. It makes your basics look more polished. At this point, I've decided to only keep the blue jumper as I need this accent in all my beige looks. Day 5. Swap out your sweats for a pair of jeans. Give your other worn items to the laundry if you have a longer trip. Ankle length works well for me. Worn with a low top sneaker is just perfect. I can never travel without a white t-shirt. This Totemi one has served me so well. Save it for a day when you have an exciting museum or theater trip, or visiting a special place. Create a 3-tone outfit with a chic blazer. My camel one is from Arcade when I visited West Bank, to save you from the midday sun or wind. Day 6. Another casual day, out of town or car trip. Take your button-up shirt and wear it with your neutrals. This could also do a great airport look. If you'll wear a sweatsuit again, leave the shirt collar and sleeves sticking out for a preppier casual look. Head out for a park walk and lunch on the terrace. Day 7. It's spring. You're bored of repeating the same beige. Reach out for a legging in color. A good wardrobe extension that doesn't make too much room, but makes a decent amount of fun new outfits. You could also use brown or forest green. Suitable for a casual walk, coffee dates, lunch, or another fun travel day. Limiting your options, as in this capsule, often boosts creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment by adding some color and fun items to your wardrobe. But make sure all your items are very different. This is key for effective capsule wardrobe. It won't do the same if you take all beige or all blacks. Make sure you subscribe for more style and travel content. I'll see you in my next one.